My name is Abby Wheatfeld. I'm a sophomore here at Concordia. I'm studying Lutheran elementary education with minors in math and psychology. On campus, I'm involved in a lot of things, particularly youth ministry and our campus ministry leadership team, as well as volunteer club, education club, orientation team, and I'm also a student ambassador. Ever since third grade, I've wanted to be a Lutheran school teacher. It was my third grade teacher who inspired me to go into education and pursue the field. So I'd always planned on honestly going to Concordia Chicago. That's where my heart was set on ever since third grade. And then my junior year, my mom was like, let's just go check out some other Concordias, just to be sure that this is where you're supposed to go. So we took a trip and visited Concordia Chicago, Concordia St. Paul, and then we visited here at Concordia, Wisconsin. And immediately I fell in love with the campus. I loved the lake. I love the tunnels, especially because I hate snow. So I love wearing flip-flops year-round. Also, just the environment here. Everybody's so friendly and you can just feel it in the atmosphere that everybody's just friends and just a giant family here. So it's something that really stuck out to me. And even the small class sizes was something that was super important, and getting that one-on-one time with my professors, just because I've always gone to a small school, just so I didn't want to be another number in a state lecture hall. So one thing that really stuck out to me in the education program was that they get you into clinicals right away your freshman year. And at Concordia Chicago, it would have been my second year till I started to get into the classroom. So that was something that was super important to me, making sure that this is really where I wanted to go in life. So a lot of those experiences have really helped to grow me as a future teacher. Just getting ready to see other experiences and what other teachers have to offer in their classrooms. Also, the professors in our education department are very helpful. They've all been in the field in some kind of way, not in the collegiate setting. So just to hear all their experiences and what they've been through has just been incredible. So I'm a coordinator for youth ministry, so we go out and we do lock-ins on Friday nights at local churches. About 2 hours away is usually our maximum. So we spend time with their youth from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and we just get to build relationships with them and help them grow in Christ and see how they can grow in Him and all the things that they can get involved in to grow in their faith. So it's been a really big thing for me, is just working with those children and reinforcing what I want to do. Also, orientation team is probably one of the greatest things, as well as being a student ambassador. So with orientation team, I get to help freshmen adjust, but then with being a student ambassador, some of the students that I give tours to eventually do come here, so then I get to work with them through orientation team too. So that's super cool to see that connection. This next January 2017, I'm taking a 13-day trip to Israel to cover my religion elective, so I'm super excited. That's something that I've always wanted to do. It's been on my bucket list for forever. So to get a great opportunity like this through the school that's cheap and affordable, but I also get to learn and experience everything that I've learned in my other classes too. I'm just very excited to experience that. I think my favorite part about the experience is all the people here, just getting to meet new people every day, but you still see all of those familiar faces in the hallway, and you still get to build those connections with people, but you're still meeting new people every day. So it's been a great experience just to see what other people, where they come from, and all the ideas that they have about different things, and just be able to build those relationships with them.